Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on exponential models. All right, on this one it says, come up with a model for the following graph. There are several ways to do this. What I want to do is I just want to pull out 2 points. So I'm going to start with the easiest point, which is right here, which is the vertical intercept. The vertical intercept is 0, 20. Then what I want to do is I want to find a nice grid point, which is right here. So if this is 10 and this is 20, that means my scale is 5, 10, 15. So my next point is going to be 15, 40. And I think it's a lot easier to do this with my ordered pairs than the graph. So essentially what I want to start, my model is f of t equals ca to the t. I like using this model because it spells out the word cat, and I always think of the crazy cat lady who keeps on getting more and more cats. So this is my favorite model for an exponential equation. Now, I'm going to start with A. A is the factor, and it's what you multiply by to move forward in your model. So my factor is what I multiply to the output to get to the output. So what do I multiply to 20 to get to 40? Well, if I divide both sides by 20, I see that I'm multiplying by 2. But the thing is, I want this to be a unit. I want it to represent inputs of x equaling 1, but right now, x is going up by 15. So this is a 15 unit factor. And I don't want it to be a 15 unit factor. I want it to be a unit factor, a single unit factor. So I want to take it from a 15 unit factor down to a single factor. So I need to divide it by 15. Because this is an exponential equation, any alteration I do to my equation has to be done in the exponent position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this in the exponent position. I'm going to say a equals 2 to the 1/15th. And if I change this up in the exponent position, this now becomes a unit factor. And I'm good to go. So 2 is a 15 unit factor, 2 to the 1/15th now tells me how I change for each unit of x, x equaling 1, x equaling 2, x equaling 3, and so on. Okay, now I need to find c. C is my initial, but I have c. Initial is where I cross the y-axis. It's right here at 20, which means I'm really, really good to go. So f of t equals 20 times 2 to the t divided by 15. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.